So Corrupted Zulu is on my right.
I would record this.
And Sin City Rockers is on my left. My man Peppy, Danny Infamous, me, Popsicle. Here we go. Dookie in the back. Let it loose. Sin City Rockers.
I see you shaking, baby.
Corrupted Zulu.
I'll take you to the ceiling. Come in a little bit, baby. I'll take you to the ceiling.
Alright, Sin City back up. Alright. Corrupted Zulu on the floor. Last round for Corrupted Zulu. Connecticut in the house. Make some noise.
I see you want it, and you know you're gonna get it. We got one more tune, and I know you're gonna love it. Well, we got one more tune. Woo! And I know
Hey, give it up for that battle, y'all. So, judges on 1, 2, 3. That was a dope ass battle, though. Sin City Rockers versus Corrupted Zulu. Give it up one more time, y'all.